Konnichiwa. In this lesson, we will learn how to describe two or more activities using the te form. It is based on pages 152 through 153 of Genki. In our last lesson, we discussed three things that you can do with the te form. For this lesson, we will add one more item to the list. Speaking of lists, you can use the te form to combine two or more verbs, which allows you to describe a sequence of events or actions. Here are the three things you need to know about connecting verbs with the te form. Number 1. To repeat, we connect verbs with the te form, not with to. To is for connecting nouns. Number 2. The te form conjunction sentence can be in either the present and future tense or the past tense. The tense of the verb at the end of each sentence determines when the events took place. The verb or verbs preceding the verb at the end, of course, will be in the te form. And number 3. You might think of two different kinds of te form verb connections. The first kind is sequential. You can use the te form to describe a sequence of events or actions. Now, the second kind is what we might call a loose connection. With loose te form connections, the verb in the te form might describe the manner in which the action described by the second verb is performed, or it might describe the situation for why, say, an apology is made or thanks are given. じゃあ、テフォームを練習しましょう。アクション。いや、アクション。ああ、大変です。先生はスーパーへ行ってベナジュールを買います。ちょっと待ってくださいね。にゃー。にゃー。私は猫です。にゃー。私は名前がありません。にゃー。にゃー。私は今日は6時に起きてブリジス先生のオフィスに来ました。でも、ブリジス先生はいませんにゃ。じゃあ、バスに乗ってエコノフーズへ行って寿司を買います。にゃあ、これは何ですか？あ、寿司ですか？食べましょう。いただきます。うん、ごちそうさまでした。美味しかった。ブリジス先生の寿司を食べてすみません。Yeah. In today's lesson, we learned how to describe two activities using the te form. We discussed sequential and loose connections. Yeah. I'm sure you'll agree that the te form is really the cat's meow. Meow.